Guys, today I'm sharing with you Radha inspired makeup look. So first I'm using moisturizer, and this is the first step. You must have to apply moisturizer, and after that you have to apply primer. And after applying primer my skin feels smooth, and after that you have to apply concealer in all the darker areas of your skin, and after that foundation. You can apply foundation of your skin tone and blend it nicely with the help of beauty blender. I know it's looking white, but it will absorb in skin after some time. And now I'm using the highlighter in my cheeks. Actually I don't like contouring, that's why I skipped the step. And one more thing guys, this is my favorite highlighter. And now it's time to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette, and I'm choosing the beautiful pinkish color and applying it my inner sides of my eyes, and now the green color and outer sides of eyes. And now blend it very nicely with the help of brush, and both the colors will mix while blending and it will give a beautiful shade. And yeah, you can choose any eyeshadow color of your choice. Now I'm applying highlighter in my center parts of eyelids. Now applying the kajal. And now I'm using the eyelash curler to curl my lashes without heating it. And now using the mascara, and this is my favorite blush from My Glam, and I'm using this in my eyeshadows as well, because it will give a really beautiful pinkish kind of color. Now using the two lipsticks, one is a nude lipstick and second one is a pink, so I'm mixing both the lipsticks with the help of brush, and it will give a very beautiful shade. And now using eyebrow filler, and after that setting all my makeup with the help of setting powder. And now the final thing, I'm using lipstick as I don't know what did we say it, making tiny dots with the help of lipstick. Now using my yellow color lipstick because I don't have the white one, so I'm making a flower like this with the help of the yellow lipstick, and it looks really very beautiful. If I have white color, so it will look more beautiful. And guys, here is our final makeup is done. Now going to the hairstyle. So I'm making a really simple hairstyle, and I left these hairs because I have to curl this with the help of my straightener, so you can also do like that. And after curling with the help of this makeup brush, these hairs are looking very beautiful. So now I'm making braid in both the sides, tying it up using a thread which has a flower. Now we have to do same in the other side as well. So here I'm having flower jewelry set. So this beautiful neck piece, bindi, earrings and kamarband is from an Instagram store. Sheetal Jewelry House sent me this beautiful flower jewelry. And here is our final look is ready. So tell me in the comment section guys, do you like the look? And do subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. Happy Janmashtami to you all.